Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is April 2nd, 2021. The market was closed yesterday, but today we are off for Good Friday, so let's hop right into it. Looking straight at the S&P, we close at some record highs. I expressed my doubts in mid-February that things would tend to cool off, and for the most part they kind of did. They tapered off, but it got hot towards the end of March and we closed at record highs. Record high is 40.2063. We closed at 40.1987. You recall back in October where I had made the prediction that the market would eventually make its way to 4,000. Here we are. So from October until now, it's made its move. So congratulations to anybody who's been involved in the S&P for that time frame. Let's put a brand new mark here on the chart for what our new level is. As you know, we've been doing this for a minute here. So here we are. Boom. 40. Let's see. About 39.50. There's 39.50 there. We have the ultimate target of 4,200 for where it could go to. So that's SPX. Let's look back at IWM. IWM, remember this is the Russell. We got plenty of levels here, and we see we tested out a few times here. 1, 2, 3, and we recently made this move higher. So I have a problem with how the market is moving right now. Usually what happens is the Russell tends to be the leader in bull markets. However, in this time frame, we had new highs for the S&P and nothing is following it currently as far as making new highs. So I'm on continual alert for this to prove itself. We have this area here, this 230, that if it makes it here, I'm going to be on high alert to see if this starts to pull back. If it doesn't, then we have a continuation. If not, then we'll likely pull back to this 210 area. So that is my prediction. I want everybody to enjoy your long weekend. If you happen to have the day off for Good Friday, let's go ahead and have some fun, relax, unwind. Let's leave this market alone for a little bit. It's a good time away. All right. So don't forget to check me out. Stocks and Bars will be recorded this weekend and a new episode will be out. Wincrease. Follow us, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, all of that stuff, all right? So any questions, you know where to get at me, all right? Enjoy your weekend. Peace.